We've got warm, muggy weather across the mid-state again this morning. I'm going to show you some weather bug camera perspectives coming up in just a moment, see what visibilities look like across the mid-state. Do want to start with some pictures from Twitter, though. Had this posted to my timeline yesterday, and you can always share your weather pictures with me at Paul Hagen WSMB, either on Twitter or Facebook. This one from Dan around Spring Hill captured one of those little isolated showers there in the distance with the sun shining through the crepuscular rays. Ready? Did you know that was a word? Crepuscular rays. Those are the ones that go up when the sun is kind of behind a cloud. If they're shining down through the cloud from cloud to ground, then they're anti-crepuscular rays. So there you go. You can win Trivial Pursuit next time. Brent has been torturing me with a series of posts. This is from just around Jacksonville in Florida as the sun came up over the Atlantic Ocean. I just wanted to share these pictures quickly because that is a beautiful view. That should kind of help you find your zen this morning. Temperatures right now are starting off in the 70s. It's warm, it's muggy. There's not a lot of fog out there, but a few patches of it here and there. Not seeing much of it here from the city of Clifton in Wayne County as the sky is brightening. Looking good over West Nashville as well. Eastern Middle Tennessee has seen more of that fog this morning, but it should dissipate pretty quickly. We'll check some more camera perspectives coming up. Looking right now, seeing a few blips on the forewarned live radar, but not much in terms of actual shower activity. We're going to have to wait until later on today for that. Just a little bit of moisture showing up in the air, but not much of it reaching the ground. Low to mid 70s for current temperatures. Even Paris, you did drop down to 68, and now you're back up to 70. 75 degrees right now is the warm location in Nashville, and we will heat up as we head through the day. Temperatures will be in the mid 80s by 9 a.m., low 90s by noon, low to mid 90s for highs this afternoon, and humid enough to make it feel like 100 degrees. These temperatures are the before and in between the storms temperatures, because there are going to be some scattered storms that develop by this afternoon, and they could last into the evening as well. So this temperature for the first pitch of the Sounds game might be cooler if you get some rain cooled air right around downtown Nashville, but I would count on it being warm and muggy. There's still a chance of storms by 7 o'clock, but things should be quieting down by that point. Looking at Futurecast, and just a few little showers bubbling up by midday. That better chance of scattered storms will take shape from mid to late afternoon into the very early evening hours. It's going to be hit and miss activity. You can't guarantee exactly when or exactly where those storms are going to develop, but they should quiet down as the sun goes down. Tomorrow, a similar forecast, but just a couple of little differences. I think the storms are going to get going just a little bit earlier, and that keeps our temperatures a little bit cooler. The best chance will still be during the afternoon and early evening, but those storms could continue going even past sunset because the heart of this unsettled weather pattern is going to be a lot closer to us. So we're going to see those storm chances continuing tomorrow night into early Thursday, and Thursday will bring us the most widespread and the strongest thunderstorms. The winds farther above our heads going to be a little more organized, allowing the storms to become more organized. So slight risk of severe weather for Thursday. We'll keep a close eye on that. I wouldn't be overly concerned about it, but we'll just keep an eye out for some stronger storms. That better chance of rain means cooler temperatures. It's hard to call the upper 80s with a lot of humidity cool, but at least it's not going to be as dreadfully hot and humid. And there's some chance that if those storms Wednesday night into early Thursday are widespread enough, it could slow down the warm up and keep us in the lower half of the 80s for highs on Thursday. Dare to dream. But right back up to around 90 over the weekend as the storm chances retreat to a more typical late July level.
There we go.